Okay, so we are here. We can now connect with friends. We can use our Gmail contacts, etc., etc., to log in. That will then send an invite to our friends as well. We can show sites that we've blogged, that we've liked, that we've discovered, that we've disliked, that we've stumbled upon, that we've made top picks, etc. We can connect with friends that we've made on StumbleUpon. I think it limits you to about 200 friends though at this stage. I think there's a limit on how many you can have. And if you look at this part here where it says explore website, about, the more bold the actual the wording, the more popular it is. So here, if we look at graphic design, for example, we'll explore websites about graphic design. So you can also add your photograph and upload it as well, but here we can go and read comments and information about Flash. So for example, if we go to this one, it will take us to their website. And it's loading now. As you can see, it's using this wonderful little mouse pointer so we can make pretty patterns. So for example, we thought this was really cool. We would actually come up here to I like it or I don't like it, and would go from there. So if we go back to Stumble, it takes us onto another page, and what it's doing is every time it's putting us into it's stumbling different sites to see if we like them. So we could stumble another one and it'll load them again, and it's loading sites that are related to topics I said I was interested in. So it's now going to pull up another website when it decides to wake up. There we go, another one's come up. So as you can see, you basically start stumbling through sites, and you can then say whether you like them or not. You can also then, the cool part here is, if I wanted to, I could send them to people. I could add emails, I can import contacts, and I can then send them instantly to friends. So if there's a page I like, I can actually email it to someone I've added to my friend's email address straight away. Or I can add in a new address, type in a new address, and actually send an email to a friend of mine saying, come look at this website, Martin's just told you, it's brilliant. So you can see how viable this potentially could be if you create a very good site that someone then decides to come and find. The other cool feature here to stumble upon is if you click the People tab, it's looking whereabouts you are in the world. As I put, I'm in the UK. It's then starting to suggest other people that are online that are nearby, and if I wanted to start trying to network with some of these people, I might be able to go and look at their file and contact them, etc. If I go to websites, then it gives me a different choice of recently popular websites. So we might decide to go look at, for example, the BBC site that's had 11 views. So we click that, and it opens a new page. This looks like an interesting thread. So we might go, yeah, I like this, give me more of this. So you give it a good vote. And as you can see here, if we go into videos, we can look and watch different videos we might be interested in as well, and we can also then stumble upon those. So that's generally how it works, and the more people then that stumble upon you and your particular videos, blogs, articles, the more traffic you can expect to see, and that's by getting people to do a little thumbs up. So what is well worth doing if you want to build your traffic is to have something like a blog where you put your videos and you put your stories, your article content, and then encourage people that are friends of yours or people that are on your list, if you've got members, to actually go and read your blog, and if they like what they read, to give it a thumbs up, because that in turn will then see you getting more traffic from StumbleUpon direct. So it's as easy as that to get started. You basically set up, put your info and details in, and then you'll get this toolbar here that you can download, and then you can start using this to go through. If you click the things I've liked button, you'll see that it's going to go to the blog. There's the one that I pulled up, the one that I said I liked. And if you want to change your interests to the different types of sites you're going to read, if you hit manage your interests, you'll see the ones I originally picked when I was logging on come up here. I can then go through and choose to add more if I want to in different categories. So I can go back to there as well. And that's it. That's as easy as it is. So make sure you're getting your site stumbled upon. It's a great way for building traffic, and thanks for watching the video.